This is another problem. We're going to evaluate this expression right here given these numbers. This is similar to a problem in our book, but I went ahead and I changed one of the numbers to a negative. That way I can show you why it's important to put numbers inside parentheses when you plug in. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this whole thing, but I'm going to plug my numbers in. My A is 8 and my B is -4. I'm going to put that inside parentheses because that's important. And we're going to square that whole thing. Minus my C value is 16 over my A value is 8 minus my B value. My B value is -4. So this is an important part where a lot of people get stuck. They'll see that minus and they're not sure, well, do I plug in a -4 or is it automatically +4? Does it stay the same? What happens? Well, it is A minus B, A minus B. B happens to be a negative, so you plug it in as a negative. So watch what happens when we simplify this. 8 divided by -4 is -2. I'm keeping that inside parentheses because that's important when you square it. That will change the answer. Minus 16 over 2 negatives make a positive. So 8 minus -4 becomes 8 plus 4, that's 12. So then I'm going to go ahead and write the answer down here. I end up with -2 squared. That's the same thing as -2 times -2. That gives me a +4 minus. And I'm going to go ahead and simplify this fraction by dividing the top and bottom by 4. So if I divide the top and bottom by 4, that gets me 4/3. But notice how I have a slight problem here. I have to take a whole number and subtract a fraction. Well, the best way, in my opinion, to do this is to make this into a fraction too, in which it has the same denominator. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite the whole thing, blank over 3 minus 4/3. Then I have to figure out what number divided by 3 gets me 4. All you have to do is multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 gets me 8. So my final answer is 8/3.